Did you know? Just observing someone can change their behavior. This is called Hawthorne Effect, where people improve their actions just because they know they're being watched. It's named after experiments done in the 1920s and 30s at the Hawthorne Works factory. Researchers found that workers' productivity seemed to improve when they were being observed, no matter the changes in their working conditions. But here's the kicker, this can seriously mess with research results. When people know they're part of a study, they might change their behavior just because they feel special or watched. This skews the data, making it tricky to know if the results are genuine or just a product of the Hawthorne effect. For instance, imagine testing a new teaching method in a classroom. If students know they're part of a study, they might try harder just to impress, leading to falsely positive results. This not only affects the validity, how true the results are, but also the reliability, whether those results would be the same in a different scenario. So how do we avoid this? One solution is to use a control group that isn't aware they're being studied. Another tactic is to conduct blind or double-blind studies, where either the subjects or both the subjects and researchers don't know who's receiving a particular treatment. In the end, being aware of the Hawthorne effect helps researchers design better, more accurate studies. So next time you're part of an experiment, remember, just by being aware, you're already making a difference. One last cause of the Hawthorne effect involves a study that involves humans and a horse. If the experiments or observers are aware of the desired effect of the study, they might unintentionally skew the results. So in the early 1900s, William von Holsten claimed that his horse, Clever Hans, could answer arithmetic questions. A German psychologist was blown away by this and went to study the horse and see if the owner was actually a fraud. And while fraud was not involved, the psychologist observed something interesting. If the owner was present, or if the owner knew the answers to the arithmetic questions, the horse was able to answer correctly 89% of the time. However, if the owner was not present or he didn't know the answer, the horse only answered correctly 6% of the time. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope you learned a little bit more about Hawthorne effect. If you have any question at all, feel completely free to ask.